Let's try to find the best buying opportunities on the stock market. Tesla is up $2.73, closed at 171.11. Post-market, we are down by 30 cents. Let's take a look at what this means on the chart. We still need a break of 174.89 minimum with a stochastic over 60 in order to qualify this move as a buy. I will raise that up to 180.38 right here because we had some resistance right here in the past. This is where the resistance was, so we need to break that resistance in order to consider that a new pattern has emerged. So far, we don't have that. Yeah, we have a move up today, but as we know, a move up without at least stochastic over 60, we should not care about that move. And on top of that, we need to break 180.38. So we are still waiting to see what is going to happen with Tesla. If we take a look at the VIX, which is the fear factor of the stock market, VIX is climbing like crazy. So we are up 14%. This is going to put a lot of pressure on the stock market, pushing many stocks down. US bonds, this is not too bad. This is coming down. This should be helping a bit. And US dollar also coming down, so this should be helping a bit. But because the VIX is so strong, I think it's going to have a big impact. Let's look at the stock indices. Dow Jones, wow, look at this. A big move down with Dow Jones. As soon as we are breaking 38,332, which is our line, we are into a congestion zone going sideways. Once we break that line, then it means that we are going to start to go down. Right now, we are still going sideways. Look at how stochastic plunged. Stochastic is at 8. Very concerning. SPX is now officially outside of its bullish channel. So this cannot really be good. Right now, we need to look for a horizontal resistance. So this is where it is right now. Let's find the support. We have support right here at 51.29. So right now we are officially going sideways. Look at the stochastic on this, super low also at 32. NASDAQ still in its congestion zone, so we are still going sideways. As soon as we break 17,803, this is a goner. So this is an interesting reversal that we are seeing right here. This is really interesting. Let's take a look at the Magnificent 7. So Apple still above 168.40. If we start breaking it, and most importantly, 165.49, which is the line right here, we should be really concerned because this was an area of support at 165.49 in the past. And if that support is no longer there, it means that there's a step change in the market. And we can profit from that. We can profit from that by buying puts. Amazon, wow, okay, this one is right smack on the support. We broke support a couple of days ago, but now because of what happened today with the VIX, we are seeing a reversal. We are still pretty much smack on the support, so I would not call it. So I would still say that we are okay, but let's keep watching this. AMD still in its congestion zone, big red candle. I'm going sideways. Google reversing also. I'm going to still consider that we are above 151.88 though. Stochastic is still good. Microsoft going sideways, still above 415.25. Meta tried to go higher. This one is stronger. Tried to go higher but was pushed down. So we are waiting for a break of 523.39 in order to buy. NVIDIA still in its congestion zone. Look at stochastic. I cannot help it, but seeing stochastic as low as what we have here is really concerning. Palantir, we have bounce on support. We have a very low stochastic, so we don't believe that bounce anyway. It's not that nice of a bounce because of the red candle. SMCI is still in a downward channel, still trying to break outside of this downward resistance, but cannot break it. Truth Social getting close to this bullish channel support. If it does not hold it, then we are going to start to consider going down, going short on it. Marathon still waiting for a break of 22.60. This is not close. We have support at 17.33 right here. If we break that, this is going to be a short. Open, still waiting for a break of 316 in order to buy. Right now, it's still in its bullish channel. Let's take a look at our AV stocks. So BYD going sideways, Lucid going sideways, Neo Battery Material, Cratering, Neo sideways. Novonix, we have a big move with Novonix. Looking at the chart, it is a buy above 249, but again, when we have a big move like this, a big gap up, it's hard for me to still consider it a buy because this is risky. We could be going down as fast as we went up. So in those cases, I tend to be a little bit more cautious. And if we pull back a little bit, we have another resistance at 294 that was used a lot in the past. So if we break 294 and close above it, I'm going to feel better. Xpeng, Rivian, nothing to say. Bitcoin bouncing on our support. Stochastic is getting close to 60. Let's hope that we have a next move up. And the ETFs have also moved up a little bit. XRP, XRP is going sideways. It's no longer going up, but at least it's bouncing on this support right here at 57,370. Gold just pulling back a little bit. This should be going higher, gold, because, things are not going well in the stock market. And silver, we are pausing after having broken 905, which we have been waiting for a long time. This is an important number at 905. It might wait a little bit and try to get rid of the sellers, because right now, when they see a stock or silver in this case go close to a very big resistance, they are trying to short it. So now there's a big fight between the buyers and sellers, and we'll see very soon who is going to win that one. So Tesla is doing totally the opposite of the whole market. It is trying to go higher, even though we had some pretty bad news in terms of production and deliveries. So let's just wait. If we break 180.38, we can believe this move up. But right now, we should still stay aside. Another thing is that we tried to break this big downward resistance. We tried to break it and we're squished down. So maybe it's a sign that we are finally going to go back down. And I say finally because, I don't really care which way it goes, but this would be respecting this downward resistance. And I like it when stocks respect the lines. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.